Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Shorthand dictation from Pittman New Course Shorthand Book. Exercise number 16. Start. 1. Mary and Jake are to be married early in March. Full stop. 2. We wish to go to the wedding, but they may be married in Rome, and it will be too far away. Full stop. 3. We shall ask the lawyer to talk for an hour. Full stop. 4. They will take a lorry load of coal to the shop today or tomorrow. Full stop. 5. Wrap the package and mail it today. Full stop. We think we ought to insure the package. Full stop. 6. We have given them no authority to change the policy of the firm. Full stop. 7. We get our milk at the dairy farm and we usually pay our bill monthly. Full stop. 8. The living room was at the rear of the shop. Full stop. 9. The door was too narrow, and we had to remove it to get the large package into the room. Full stop. 10. Mary, whose memory was poor, read a different page of the book each day. Full stop. 11. We can change the collar on the fur wrap today, and the lady may come in for it tomorrow. Full stop.